Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to reset a SkyQ box. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there's actually two ways for you to basically reset your SkyQ box here. So the first method is to access the hidden reset menu. So what you need to do is you want to get the remote for your SkyQ box here, and you want to press the home button on your remote or SkyQ remote. That's one. You want to go ahead and scroll down to settings, but do not press OK here. Now, on your remote, you want to go ahead and press the flying combination, which in this case is going to be 001. Then press select or accept or return depending on your remote here. And a heating setting will actually appear or menu here. So in this case, you could go ahead and just perform the reset. Now, you want to go ahead and choose the reset on the left side and just select reset settings or select reset hard drive and just choose factory reset. So whatever type of reset you want to do here. Now, in this case, this will wipe everything from your SkyQ box here, restoring it to how it was when you first got it. Now, also, doing a factory reset here is the safest way to remove your personal data before sending the SkyQ box back to Sky or disposing it. In this case, yeah. So in this case, if you do have a problem with resetting this, you may need to find a reset button that may be included in your SkyQ box here, but it actually depends on your model. So you may need to look at the back or underneath it and see if you do see any reset button. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.